Hi guys, so today we're going to be making a Capri Sun juice pouch purse, and I'm going to start out by sewing 2 pouches together with a straight stitch. You can use any stitch you'd like, a zigzag or any other decorative stitch, but I'm going with a simple straight stitch. Other than the handles, I'll use a zigzag for extra stability there. You're going to need 2 of these panels, so go ahead and make a second for your front and your back panel. And next, we're going to be working on the handles. So take 1 pouch, cut it in half. You can use a straw as a guide so you can do it nice and even, and you're going to give a straight stitch right at the center of both of those. And now you're going to want to hide that rough edge that we just did by cutting them in half. So go ahead and fold that inward 1/2 inch and give it a nice straight stitch from end to end. And since we have 2 panels, a front and a back, we're going to need 2 handles. So go ahead and make a second one, and when they're done, they should look like that. Now we're going to be attaching them to the back ends of the front panel and the back panel. I like to attach it right over the straw with a zigzag stitch. Do that a couple times so it's nice and sturdy. And once you have both of those, you can put that aside. We're going to work on the bottom half, so take 1 panel and make sure it fits across the front of your bag there. You're going to overlap them, and you're going to give a straight stitch on the front and back end so it lies flat. That's going to be your bottom of your purse. And actually I used grape because I ran out of wild cherry, but I'm going to use wild cherry for the side panels. Nobody will ever know. So you can fold those inward so that they're easier to sew, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So like that, fold them. You can start folding them outward because we're going to attach the front panel to it now. So you take your front panel and you're going to align them sliver sides facing together, and you're going to straight stitch. So line the top edges and work your way down, straight stitch from the top to the bottom. And you're going to take your back panel and you're going to do the same thing with the other side. So sliver sides facing together and straight stitch from top to bottom. Now we got the harder edges to work on, but not super hard. Same thing, align them from the top and move that bottom outward so that you can make room to sew. Bottom, is durable, so you can move it to sew. And the final edge, line the tops and move that bottom of the bag outward so you can sew. Straight top to bottom stitch, and that's what it'll look like. All around the sides are all done. Now we just have the bottom of the bag to do, and then we're all done. Almost done, guys. So I will show you how to fold the bottom to make it easier to sew. What we're going to do is we're going to fold the bottom panel in half and flatten it out like so. And now you can see where I use the grape, but nobody will ever see it because it's on the bottom. And you can use all different kinds. You can use every single panel a different Capri Sun flavor if you'd like. You don't have to go, with all of them the same. So it's you can mix and match. It's cute. So you're going to sew the front and you're going to sew the back after you have it flattened out like this, like so. And after you're done, ta-da! You have a juice pouch purse, and it's reusable, it's sturdy, and I think my next video will be a juice pouch tote. So let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. Like, subscribe, share, and thank you for watching.